Hello, darlings. I am Cassandra. Welcome to my channel, Authentic Beauty Handmade Dolls and Crafts. This is a daily read for anyone who is contemplating as to whether or not they should quit their job. So the question today is, should you quit your job? I'm calling on forces higher than I to release the wisdom that I hold inside. Let this answer be compassionate and true to help someone do what they must do. Should you quit your job? Let's see. What do the Jungle Beauty Goddesses have to say? What can they say to help someone today? Let's keep going. Alrighty. Gemstone here. Should you quit your job? Let us see. Should you quit your job? Already pulled the cards, and the first card that comes in with us today is Jungle Beauty Goddess Sahara, and it says, if you think you know everything, you have nothing else to learn. So this is the card that signifies your major concern or obstacle. So what I'm picking up is that right now you may need to develop a new skill, go back to school, go to a workshop, get a certificate. But if you think that you're going to progress right now with the skill set you have right now, with the education you have, this is going to prevent you from moving up, being promoted, earning more money, or being happy. So even if you do leave your job, you're probably going to make a lateral move as opposed to the type of move that you are really looking to make at this point in your life. The second card I pulled regarding this, and this card, it represents your challenges and complications. Now, what's really complicating you right now is it says, bring your dreams to life. This in focus. So we have Jungle Beauty Goddess Afar, and she's saying that one of the reasons that you're having a hard time going back to school, taking a workshop, doing something to better yourself is because you are not really being honest with yourself in terms of your dreams. There's something in your heart that you need to work on, that you need to bring to fruition. If you want to, open a bakery, or if you want to paint or draw or whatever it is, you can't go. The reason you can't progress in your current position is because you don't have the skill set and the education to move forward. But another factor is you don't have the ambition or desire to even get the qualifications that you need, because it's really, you have something inside of you, a dream that you are ignoring, that's kind of gnawing at your spirit. Now, the next card I pulled for this question is that this reveals the factors that you need to know affecting your current situation. So we pulled Jungle. Let me get her in focus here. It says, how do you feel about it? Your feelings matter. Now, what I'm picking up from this particular card is that you feel that you're unappreciated, that you are, that people are not looking at the value that you're bringing to the company. You feel that why should you acquire another degree or a certificate or another skill, because you feel like you work really hard and you're just as good as anybody else on the job. So you're really caught up in your feelings right now, but being caught up in your feelings of feeling unappreciated, unloved, unsupported, feeling that what you have right now is enough, this is preventing you from being able to move ahead. Now, the fourth card that I pulled, it represents new ideas or things that can help you grow further. And what I pulled was pretty interesting, was Namib. Jungle Beauty Goddess Namib says, let it go. Some things are not meant to be known. Now, let me get this in focus. Now, what this card means to me in this particular read is that you're asking the question, should I quit my job? And she's saying that is not what you need to be focused on as to whether or not you should quit your job. That's not what needs to be known at this point. You need to focus on getting yourself educated so that you can earn more money, so that you can get a promotion. What I'm picking up right now is that if you quit your job, you're going to end up in the same type of position, earning similar pay. So the real concerns are you developing yourself more in terms of your skills and your resources, and also for you to make peace with this dream that you have inside of you. So the dream that you have is really preventing you from, like I said before, going back to school, developing, getting another certificate, learning a new skill, because it's really hard for you to grow further in something you're really not that interested in. And the last card that I pulled regarding whether or not you should quit your job is Chalby, Jungle Beauty Goddess Chalby. And Chalby says, stop playing the victim. So basically, if Chalby is telling you to stop playing the victim, she is saying that you need to stop blaming other people. You need to get out of your feelings, okay? You're in your feelings right now. You feel underappreciated. You feel undervalued. If you want to move up, you really need to, if you think you know everything, you have nothing else to learn. I'm going to say that what is holding you back right now is that you are missing the right credentials, licensing, education, skills. There's something that you need to know and learn right now. And once you develop yourself more, and then you can talk about whether or not you should quit your job. Because right now, according to Jungle Beauty Goddess Namib, she's saying let it go. Like, stop thinking about whether or not you should quit your job. That's not the question. You should be thinking about educating yourself, making yourself more valuable, dealing with the dream that you have inside of you, according to Jungle Beauty Goddess Afar. There's something, as if you want to go for your dream, go for your dream. But if you want to remain in this position at the same skill set that you have right now, you're going to end up exactly where you are. And Jungle Beauty Goddess Chalby says, stop playing the victim, which means, stop acting like everybody is against you and it's everybody's fault that you're not earning more money, that you're not moving ahead in your career. She's saying that you need to do what you need to do to improve yourself. I hope that this message from the Jungle Beauty Goddesses was helpful to someone today. If you have a question for the Jungle Beauty Goddesses, please go ahead and leave it in the comment box below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.